Hey! Why do I look so fat? Oh yeah, because I am fat. So, I am just really bored. So I decided to make this video. I look so weird like this. I look like I'm bald. I am bald. Look, seriously, I am bald. Seriously. I got some hair going back. Oh my god. I look like a girl like this. Oh my god. I look like a bald girl. Oh, I got hair growing everywhere. Yep. Okay, fix my hair. Yay! How many fingers am I holding up? 2, 3. How many fingers am I holding up? 4. 4. Yep. Yep. Start making like games on YouTube. Like I'll make like a quick little video. How many fingers am I holding up? Put a video next week. Oh yeah. Hopefully I'll start making new videos every Sunday. Or, I don't know, whatever. I look so weird like this. I like brownies! Oh, I'm upside down. Okay, I'm going to finish off my video like this, or maybe like this, or doing like this. Yep, see SpongeBob over there. Baby, 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 no, baby, 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 no.
I'll be right back. I'm just running.